How to secure your GitHub account with 2FA using Authenticator app. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open GitHub and click on your profile. Click on Password and Authentication. Scroll all the way down till you find Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Screenshot the picture or click on Setup Key and copy the code. Then open Two-Factor Authentication app. Add name and add secret key. Simply copy the code you see in Two-Factor Authentication app. Paste the code in here. Or you can simply scan QR code. And that's how you secure your GitHub account with 2FA using Authenticator app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.